friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review a product which most of us might have used, but here we go. So this is a review of the Fevicol glue. So everybody must have used the Fevicol glue. This is a Fevicol MR right here, like the name says, Fevicol MR. Right on top you can see the Fevicol branding, and this is for general purpose, for crafts and stuff, for kids to use. It's a white adhesive from Fevicol. The net weight of the product is 22.5 grams. The MRP of the same is ₹10. So guys, it's from Pidilite Industries, like we all know Fevicol is. It's a small pack which comes for crafts and stuff for kids, and it's a nice twist open cap it has, and you can easily pour out the Fevicol by just pressing it, and you can see only a little bit comes out when you press it. So you can easily apply, the kids can easily apply by not making a mess. So that's the good part. You can also open the complete pack here and remove if you want the Fevicol, if you require a lot. That's also a function available here. Moving on, back in April, they had a cashback offer going on. When you buy ₹10 Fevicol, you actually can scan this QR code and get ₹10 off. But that was back in April. It was valid till 30th of August. I think it was valid till 30th of August. Now it's not available anymore. So yeah, it was available back then. With a ₹10 pack, you were actually getting ₹10 cash back on Paytm, which was the offer back then. This is a perfect glue available for toddlers to use it for crafts and stuff. So kids and toddlers can use it for craft. An amazing product here from Fevicol. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.